and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video we're going to be trying out the MOROVAN, I don't know how to pronounce it, polygel kit. I did actually do a quick review and swatch on my previous video, the haul. I will link it in the cards so you can have like a better look and stuff like that. But I am going to quickly show you like some of the things in this video anyhow. So this kit comes with 15 milliliter bottles of polygel and they're all sealed. There was a few different kits. Someone asked me to review this. There was a few different kits and I picked this one because it just screamed my sort of style. It had bright neon colours, it had glow in the dark colours, and you guys know I'm a sucker for like bright colours. And given that it's coming up to summer, I thought, yeah, let's do this. But you can get like glitter ones and nude ones and stuff like that. There's a lot of different variety. So there's two like trays. This box comes with like a little magnet flap. But it comes with two trays. The top tray is like 10, I think it's 10 polygels, which includes a nude and a clear. And then on the bottom, you get two different files. You get a file and a buffer. I think they're 100 to 180 grit. I'm not too sure. They don't have the numbers on them. They have dual forms, a top and a base coat, your brush picker tool, polygel brush thing. You also get surface cleaner. And you get an acid-free primer, which I was quite shocked at. I thought it was like 2 bottles of slip solution, but it weren't. And you get the spear brush as well. So like this is pretty good in my opinion. Like you literally have everything that you need to do a nail set. The only thing you need to buy separately would be a lamp. Do you know what I mean? And you can get pretty good cheap lamps on Amazon. So these are all the colours here. Those 2 bottom ones are the glow in the dark. Excuse the swatch there of that nude like orangey sort of apricot colour. There was a piece of string in the swatch. I don't know what happened. And excuse my dirty lamp. But these colours are stunning. Sorry, my son come in then. So yeah, there's a nice variety of different colours. There's a few like pinks and like orangey sort of tones. Those 2 pink on the far side there, they were very similar, but I didn't mind. And of course then the glow in the dark is a blue and a green. So yeah, nice variety, very happy with it. So I am going to use these glitters today that I also got in my haul and some butterfly glitters that I already had. So we're going to start with some nail prep. Do a quick run view on this. So basically you want to push back your cuticles with your cuticle pusher. Do this gently and softly. You do not have to be rough. You don't need to be rough. And then taking the other end, then you would scrape away any of the dead skin and like dust. And once you were done with that, then you would take your buffer and file away the natural shine from your nail. You do not need to take any layers off. You just need to remove the shine. So it's like a chalky matte sort of finish. I just simulate what I'd actually do because I use a peel off base coat in this video. But yes, make sure you've got the whole nail completely buffed, because any gel doesn't like to stick to shiny surfaces. I think any nail products like to stick to shiny surfaces. And then use your slip solution here, because it is rubbing alcohol. You can use this to dehydrate your nail and also clean the dust from your nail after you've buffed the shine away. Then you want to go in with some primer and do a nice layer of that, and then a base coat, and you cure for 60 seconds. But like I said, I do use, oh, you can also take it down the edge. I do use my peel off base coat, so I skip these steps because I'm going to pop these off after a day or so. Because I like to record videos and practice and stuff like that. So anyway, here I am now showing you the base coat. So this kit I think is brilliant for beginners, starting off. Brilliant for beginners because it gives you your prep steps, it gives you your application steps, and it also gives you your like filing steps. Like I said, the only thing you don't have in this is a lamp, and I'd highly recommend it. The polygels were really nice to work with, in my opinion. They weren't too soft and they weren't too runny. They were kind of like Gershon, Yogi and McCart sort of area for me. I was quite surprised. I generally thought they were going to be like gooey and gross, but they weren't, and I'm so happy for that. So I am using the Lazy Girl Femi Beauty method today. So you just want to size out your tips, making sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall with enough gap in the middle. You can go up a size if you want to. I know some people do that and some people don't. That's completely your preference. You put some slip solution into your little lid. Make sure that you push all the packing powder out of your little brush here. Stick it to the side. I got this little carrot dish from Poundland yesterday because I went shopping to get like essentials, and I found this and I was like, I have to get it. How cute is that? It's a carrot, guys, a carrot dish. Oh, I also got like a cabbage leaf dish as well. So yeah, I just thought they were really cool for like Easter. So basically what I'm doing now, once I've sized up my tips, I've stuck them onto my nail stand, and I'm using the base coat to just put like a blob of base coat in the center here. And once I'm done, then I'm going to get my gel brush, and I'm going to use my gel brush then to pick up the glitters, the butterfly glitters and the other two glitters there that we have on screen. I'm just going to put it into the wet base coat. I then cure. I don't show you every nail because like I think it's too much. Like it's the same thing over and over, and I don't want you to get bored. But I do the same thing to each nail, exactly the same with the glitters. Then I put it in my nail lamp, cure it, and then I put another layer of base coat on top, just encapsulate before going in with the polygels. This is so easy and so simple to do. I love this method. I always rave, not crave, I rave about this method all the time. It's absolutely brilliant. And it's great for beginners as well. But make sure you prep your nail properly, otherwise your nails will pop off. But yeah, I can't this polygel kit though, I think it's great. It's really, really nice. It wasn't sticky neither. There was a bit of grittiness on the neon colours, just a tiny bit, of grittiness, but like looking at my nails now, like they're fine. There's no grit there whatsoever anymore. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to well, I think we're about to end doing this bit. So basically I used the hot pink, the nude polygel, and I did go back then and get the green halfway through my nail set. I was like, okay, yeah, I want to do this. So basically on my ring finger, not my ring finger, sorry, my little finger, I done a nude to hot pink ombre. Then I do a full pink. Then I do an ombre to green. Nude to green ombre again. I do a marble nail with the green and the pink because they are stunning, and then I do a full nail of the green. So I've really done a variety. I'm absolutely in love with the colours that I chose. I think this is just, I love summer. I can't wait for summer, like hot days and all, and I can't wait to be able to do my reveals in the summer, like lighting, because like I live in Wales, guys. Wales is just great. Grey skies all the time. We get a little bit of blue. But the past couple of days we have been getting a bit of sun in the afternoon, the late afternoon. So it's been great. I think like 3-4 days now. But it's still quite chilly a little bit. I still got the like frosty sort of spring air. So yeah, you know, I'm not complaining. But anyway, this is me doing the polygel application. So as you can see, I literally just put both into the nail here. I patted and pulled them into place. Make sure to make the sidewalls and the cuticle area very thin with polygel. Less is more with this method. You'd be quite surprised you don't actually need that much. Yeah, pat and pull it into place. Make sure the bulk of the actual polygel is in the center. Also, with this method, I will repeat because I do still have questions about it. You do not remove that nail tip. Once you are done with like you cured it to your finger, you leave the nail on and it becomes a part of that nail. It's the structure. Also, don't forget to clean up around the cuticles. I don't know if I mentioned that, and the back if you need to. Yeah, you don't remove this nail tip though. It stays there. It becomes a part of the nail. It becomes like the strength and the structure and the part of the apex and blah blah blah. The great thing about this method as well is you don't need to file much. It's perfect. If anyone, I hate filing. No, I don't mind filing, but it does get pretty like boring because I'll spend hours on filing when I do like normal application. So yeah, it's nice to do it like a normal, like do a fast application. This set was so quick. Like I don't know what to say. It was so fast. But yeah. So as you can see, I'm just blobbing about and yeah, this, that and the other. So with the marble, I just put blobs of beads here and there, and then I used my spatula, I push it down a little bit first, and then I use my spatula end of a polygel brush to mix it up a little bit to give it that marble effect, and then I added where I needed to. As you can see, look, it's very simple, very easy, just drag it through. But other than that, guys, I'm going to actually put some music on and I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. Actually, do you know what? No, I'm going to leave it here. After we've done this, we filed, top coated, I added some cuticle oil, and that was it. Sorry, it's such a quick video. But yeah. So I really did enjoy this kit. Overall thoughts, yes, definitely would recommend it. I will give it another one of their kits a go as well. I'll get another one very soon when I can afford it, I guess. Uh, but yeah, I'd highly recommend it, guys. It's perfect for beginners, but like I said, you will need a lamp. Make sure to get a 48-watt plus lamp, LED UV, because that's the best nail lamp, and that's what I've got, and it's really great. But other than that, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all still smiling. Don't forget to keep on smiling. Stay away from stupid people who don't wear their masks. Nah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purse.